And then we also have a new integration with Google Slides in our EZWrite. It's still a little bit in beta mode, but this allows you to quickly grab a Google Slide presentation and import it directly into EZWrite. So when I bring in a document, this is going to be an elementary example, apologies. It's going to give me the option, do I want to bring each slide in as just an image, or do I want to bring it in with objects? If I'm only presenting the material and it doesn't have any manipulative objects, I can just bring it in as an image and it's going to take one slide and it's going to add pages. But if I have a slide that has movable images, so in this case, this is a little drag and drop activity, I can bring multiple slides in and then it recognizes which part is the background and which part is not. So now I can tap on my object and move it in. So if you have all those drag and drop activities, I can come in here and then I can move these around. And so it recognizes those things that you have ahead of time. So that is your Google Slide integration.